Introducing the 2018 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 35,000 miles on you'll be comfortable, connected, and focused on the road or trail ahead in this capable Tacoma. Driver assistance technology, including a backup camera, comes standard, as does a composite bed, deck rail system, and no shortage of can-do attitude. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, premium sound system, backup camera. Feel confident on the road or trail in this capable Tacoma. Come in and take it out for a spin. We're here to make your test drive experience the best it can be.